Step 1. Hygiene and setup. Wash hands thoroughly and prepare a clean towel. Select a quiet and comfortable seating position. Ensure water is available. Step 2. Postural support. Support your back and arms. Keep shoulders relaxed and elbows close to your body. Correct posture reduces fatigue. Step 3. Breathing regulation. Take slow, controlled breaths. Allow your body to relax naturally before feeding. Step 4. Pre-feed massage. Use gentle massage for 30 to 40 seconds. Apply minimal pressure and slow movements. Focus on relaxation rather than stimulation. Step 5. Infant positioning. Bring the baby close to your body. Support the head and neck securely. Ensure proper alignment. Step 6. Latch evaluation. Confirm that the latch feels comfortable. Pain indicates a need for adjustment. Pause and reposition calmly if required. Step 7. Feeding observation. Allow feeding at a natural pace. Observe breathing, swallowing, and pauses. Avoid unnecessary movement. Step 8. Side transition. Switch sides slowly when appropriate. Maintain support throughout the transition. Step 9. Post-feeding protocol. Hold baby upright briefly. Hydrate and rest before the next session.